Hi kids! This is teacher Erica and welcome to our online math class. Our topic for today is about percentage. Everybody please say percentage. A percentage is a fraction with 100 as its denominator. Percent means per 100. So this symbol is the symbol used to represent percent. %60 of the students in this school are girls. This means that if there are 100 students in the school, 60 of them will be girls. So find the percentage. 60% of 100 is 60. Okay, because the percentage is about how many, the percentage in every 100. 5% of 100, the answer is 5. How about 60% of 200? So there are two 100s in 200. So which means if 60% of 100 is 60, so the 60% of 200 is 120. So just times it 2 or by 2. Okay? Because in 200, there are two 100s. So 60 times 2, 120. 5% of 200. So the 5% of 100 is 5. So here we have two 100s. So which means just times this by 2. So there are, or the answer is 10. So this is the example in getting percentage that you can solve mentally. If the number is 100 or by 100s. How about if the number is not by 100? For example, 30% of 140. So how can we get the percentage of this number? So this time you have to solve. So this is how you're going to get the percentage of a number that is not by 100. So from 30%, okay, as the definition of the percentage is, you have to make this into fraction. So 30% is like in fraction form 30 over 100. So the denominator is always 100. And then of, so you have to multiply, and then 140. Again, convert the 30% into fraction. So always have 100 as the denominator. So now let's solve. So 30 over 100 times 140. So you have to cancel this out. Okay, think a number, the greatest number that is divisible to both 100 and 140. Okay, so the answer is 20. 100 divided by 20 equals 5. And 140 divided by 20 equals 7. So you have to think a greatest or the greatest common number to both 100 and 140. It must be the same number. Then, you have to solve 30 times 7. The answer is 210. And then just copy 5. Because the 140 here, it's like having a 1 as a denominator. So just like 5 times 1, so the answer is 5. Okay? So again, just multiply 30 times 7 equals 210. And then, just simply copy the number 5. And then, if this can simplify, you have to simplify the answer when necessary. So 210 over 5, it's like 210 divided by 5. So the lowest or the simplest form of the answer is 42. 210 divided by 5 equals 42. Again, you have to simplify your answer when necessary, if needed, okay? So our answer here is 42. The 30% of 140 is 42. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, kids. Goodbye.